Hello, it's Sunbrand2961 here, and we are playing some floating islands. So, let's get to it. We've got a tree, we have to get to all the different islands. Tried doing this before, but I died, sadly. And I do have too many items in case I fall. So, I'm not going to be using that to cheat. And I'll give a preview of my inventory at the end of every episode. And then you guys will have it confirmed that I do not cheat between this episode and the next. So, yes, I have one sapling. Come on, come on, come on, come on, I need more, I need more. If you guys have any challenges, then please leave them in the in the comment section. And, okay, I have another sapling. And I will be sure to add them if they're not outrageous. If I get to that mushroom thing, then I'll be able to get a great unlimited food source. Oh, funny I had the TF2 mod, but nah. This is completely vanilla besides this. But I'm gonna turn that off real quick. Alright. Give me that, and that. Plant that, and that. Each island has a hidden chest. I hope that'll find this one. Chest in this island. I'm sorry if things sound a little different. I did get a new mic since my other one busted. Okay, done. Now, before anything, okay. So let's make a pick before I forget. Okay, there. Now we have to get as much cobble as possible. So I can quickly head over to another island. No! Oh god. That should be enough. Up, 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 up. Come on. Gotta cobble, cobble, cobble. Just keep on cobbling. Okay. Wait. Dang it! Head towards the wrong island. Head to this island. Come on, quickly. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, need to use some dirt. Up, up. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. I must gather resources. Here's some water. Okay, wood. I need wood. And some saplings from this tree. Come on. Give me a sapling tree. I know that you're a nice tree, so just give me a goddamn sapling. Give me a sapling. Just realized I don't have a sword. Come on, get more wood. Leave that there. Oh, fudge. No. more cobble. Yeah, sorry for not getting any videos out lately. So I'll try to make up for that. And my 50th video will be coming out fairly soon. And we'll be getting I believe, at least one video a day. I'll try to get at least one video a day out. Alright, good, I can make some torches now. Torches! Torches! Okay, torch here. That should be enough. Crap. That should work. Wait. Huh, no, spiders can't go in. Okay, now to make a furnace. Furnace time down and the next okay. Furnace there. Now, if I take to the third, one is 1.5, so I should get 3. Gotta wait till day. Moon's still rising, god dang it. Okay, there. Okay, come on, last page. Skeleton over there. Aha! Okay. Now, what to do now? Let's try to keep these about 15 minutes. If not, then about 10. Got a spider. Spiders are fat. Nom. Need to get to that mushroom biome. God dang it. Right. Okay. Okay, now it's setting. Let's go take some time to go mining. Every day I'm cobbling. Okay. Oh, fudge face. Okay, now, dang it. And give me that one back. Then this one. Okay. Now let's make our way to that mushroom biome. Okay, mushroom biome ahoy. Let's go. If I just keep on going in this diagonal pattern, then I should make it. Oh, I need more cobble. Ah, now I need a new pick. I'm gonna have to block that up. Okay. Need to use this cobble to make a new pick. Okay. Now, boom. Now I have enough to make a sword there. As soon as it becomes day, I can go over there, gather some resources, light it up, and I'll be good. Oh my fruiting god. I need more. God dang it. There's the fate orange. The moon is setting and the sun is rising right now. Yeah. Okay, let's give him a couple. Okay, it's becoming day. Okay, quick, to the mushroom biome. Up, bam, boom, 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 boom. Almost bloody there. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I have made it. Finally. Okay. Make a traveling workbench. Because I always make a traveling workbench. Bowls. Give me bowls. Okay, let me separate the bowls. Bowl, 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 bowl. Bowl. Nom 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 nom. Bowl, nom 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 nom. Bowl, 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 bowl. Yes! Maybe we'll live on this island. I could use this one as a house right there. No, we just passed 1337. Could you move? I don't want to hurt you. Just need these mushrooms. Okay, now where the heck are the brown mushrooms? Oh, fudge cakes. Gotta find this iron. 2, 3 iron. 4 iron. 5 iron. 6 iron. 7 iron. Come on, secret chest. I know you're here. Yes, coal. More coal. Coal is what I freaking need. Coal, 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 coal. Nah. There's a secret chest here. Somewhere. Oh, light it up. Lapis! Yes, I have lapis. I have lapis! Yay. I has lapis, time for lapis. Okay. Yay. lapis, lapis lazuli. I have lapis, lapis lazuli. Dude, the center should be... What's this? This is the correct music for the Mushroom Island. Ooh. Melody. Jukebox. Free sign. And... free chest. Yes! We have conquered Mushroom Island. Lights out to go off. Darn it! Razzle frazzle. Let's use a piece of diet. Since that's plentiful. Boom, 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 boom. Give me that torch back. Oh, is my brightness all the way up? Yep, brightness is all the way up. We've conquered Mushroom Island. Hey, one mushroom. Now let's listen to the mushroom. Down, 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 down. Hold on. Let's take a moment to listen to this. There we go. Now let's continue. For haha, I love this song. It reminds me of. Okay, so this is where my door is gonna go. Okay, that's enough. Okay, we have one music disc. Yay. Okay, now let's take our traveling workbench. Hop. Let's move. Okay, now let's return to almost complete. Oh, Chigu. Okay, let's. Okay, that's it. We gotta hurry. Hop. Okay, move, move, move. Let's go, fans. Move it, move it, move it. Light it up. Light it up. Light it up. Light it up. And light it up. That should be enough light. Okay, there's an X. Crap. Okay, first, okay, since this island's lit up, let's head back to Fan Island. Oh, that was a risky move. We're back here at Fan Island. Let's place down. Let's declare this Fan Island. Okay. Welcome to Fan Island, home of the fans. There we go. Haha. Now let's put all of the important stuff no, we're gonna need that. We don't need those or those. Don't need the flower, don't need the spider eye. I think we should only bring like 2. Let's get this iron cooking. Now we should probably use the charcoal that we have there. Then let's make this last charcoal into some torches. Put the coal, spruce. Turn these into sticks. Now let's make ourselves a pick there. Now put the cobble away, the spruce away, the sticks away, the dirt away. Okay. Okay. No. Whew. That was a close one. Alright, once I get back up, I'm gonna have to end it, because I just realized that we're running 22 minutes in. Okay, let's head back to Fan Island. Okay, so this has been Floating Islands Part 1. Well, Episode 1. Whatever you want to call it. So this is Floating Islands, and I will see you all next time. So, yeah. See ya.